Ever wondered what it feels like to drive into the future? Imagine cruising down the highway in a car that's not just sleek and silent, but also kinder to our environment. Electric vehicles, or EVs as we often call them, have come a long way since their humble beginnings. These silent road warriors, once a mere figment of our imagination, are now a reality, changing the way we move and interact with the world. They've been embraced globally, and their impact on our everyday lives cannot be overstated. Take Tesla's autopilot feature, for instance. The idea of a car driving itself was once a thing of science fiction, but today, it's a feature many of us can't do without. And how about charging your car at home? Forget about those trips to the gas station, plug it in overnight, and by morning you're ready to hit the road. With an electric vehicle, you're not just driving, you're experiencing the future. But what does driving an electric vehicle really mean for you and for the world around us? You may be surprised at the profound impact these technological wonders have on our daily lives and the planet we inhabit. Let's begin with the obvious: reduced emissions. Unlike their gas-guzzling counterparts, electric vehicles don't spit out harmful pollutants. Think about the bustling city of Los Angeles. Known for its infamous smog, the city has seen a significant improvement in air quality since encouraging the use of electric cars. Imagine, just by choosing to drive an electric vehicle, you can contribute to cleaner, healthier air for everyone to breathe. But it's not just about being kinder to the environment. Electric vehicles can also be kinder to your wallet. Take, for instance, the Johnson family from Austin, Texas. After switching to an electric vehicle, they found their maintenance costs drastically reduced. No more oil changes, no more replacing spark plugs or timing belts. Just think about it. Fewer parts, fewer problems. And let's not forget about the savings at the pump. Electric vehicles can travel a surprising distance on a single charge, often exceeding the mileage of traditional cars. The Johnsons discovered they were spending less money on charging their electric vehicle at home than they were on filling up their old gas car. Furthermore, there's the added benefit of energy independence. With an electric vehicle, you're not held hostage by fluctuating gas prices. You're in control of when and where you charge your vehicle, giving you a level of freedom not afforded by traditional cars. Electric vehicles aren't just a trend or a statement, they're a smart, sustainable choice that benefits not only the individual driver, but the wider community and the world at large. They're changing the way we think about transportation, shifting the paradigm from one of consumption and waste to one of conservation and efficiency. So, driving an electric vehicle doesn't just change how you drive, it changes your impact on the world. Now that we've seen the present, what about the future? What could our roads look like in a decade or two? The future of electric vehicles is as electrifying as it is promising. As we journey into the next era, we can anticipate major advancements in battery technology. Imagine a world where your electric vehicle could travel hundreds of miles on a single charge, all thanks to the ongoing development of solid-state batteries. These batteries hold the potential to not only increase the range of electric vehicles, but also reduce charging time, making them even more convenient than their gasoline counterparts. But the journey doesn't end with improved batteries. The evolution of electric vehicles is intertwined with the progression of autonomous driving technology. The dream of fully autonomous cars is no longer a distant reality. Imagine stepping into a self-driving taxi, sitting back and enjoying your journey, while the car does all the work. Moreover, the integration of renewable energy sources, like solar panels, into electric vehicles is another exciting prospect. Imagine a car that charges itself as you drive along, harnessing the power of the sun. The future of electric vehicles is not just about improving existing technologies, but about reimagining the way we travel. It's about creating a sustainable, efficient, and exciting future of mobility. In the world of electric vehicles, the only limit is our imagination. Imagine this, it's the year 2040. What kind of car are you driving? Ponder on the roads filled with silent, emission-free electric cars. How would this shift affect your daily life? Picture yourself plugging in your car at home instead of stopping for gas. Visualize your city, clean and quiet. Isn't it inspiring? What does your electric future look like? Share your thoughts and let's shape the future of driving together. Are you excited about the electric future? If you've enjoyed this journey into the world of electric vehicles and want to stay updated on the latest trends, we invite you to become a part of our community. Subscribe to our channel and hit that like button to support us. Don't forget to share this video with your friends and family to spread the word about the electric revolution. And to ensure you never miss any of our future uploads, click on the notification bell right now. Together, let's drive towards a cleaner, greener future. Your engagement fuels us to create more content like this. Let's keep the conversation going.